Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable timed finishing. In the beginning, let's go to the settings. Enter settings again and go to game settings. Scroll down, find timed finishing and switch between on and off. Trigger a timed finish by double tapping circle to shoot. The timing of the second button determines the quality of the shot. Perfectly timed taps always increase a shot's accuracy and power. If disabled, double tapping circle shot will not impact the shot's quality. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.